Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I build a fully automated AI-powered dental receptionist for real dental clinic using Retell AI and Cal.com. I sold this AI agent yesterday to this dental clinic for $3,000 upfront and $500 monthly for maintenance. No code, no dev, just powerful no-code tools, real-time voice AI, and smart scheduling, all talking together. This AI agent picks up the calls, handles bookings and reschedules, answers questions, check live availability, and even confirms appointment with patients 24/7. Let's dive in. I'll show you the demo first and then we'll move forward.
Hello, thank you for calling Lake Dentaire. My name is Dr. Nazinin. How may I assist you today?
Hi doctor, how are you?
Thank you for asking. I'm doing well. How can I help you today? Are you looking to book, reschedule, or cancel an appointment, or do you have a question about our services?
I have a few questions. I just wanted to where are you guys located?
Of course. We're located at 4557 Boulevard Saint-Jean, Suite 100 in Dollar-Ormeau, Quebec. Is there anything else you'd like to know maybe about
What
our
are your
hours or the
what are your
services we
working
offer?
hours? What are your working hours?
Sure. Our hours are Monday and Tuesday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., Wednesday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Thursday 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. We're closed Friday through Sunday. Is there anything else you'd like to ask, or are you interested in booking an appointment?
Do you have any promotion going on?
Yeah, we actually have a couple of promotions right now, like a checkup and cleaning for $399 and a special Invisalign offer where you can save $3,400. If you'd like more details or want to book an appointment, just let me know.
Yeah, I would like to book an appointment for teeth cleaning.
No problem. I can help you book an appointment for a cleaning. Do you have a preferred date and time in mind?
Yeah, I would like to book it for. Do you have an availability for tomorrow at 11 a.m.?
Okay, let me check the availability for you real quick. Please hold on a moment.
Sure.
Perfect. We do have availability tomorrow at 11 a.m. Could I get your full name, phone number, email, and just to confirm the reason for your visit is a cleaning, right?
Yes, it's cleaning. My full name is Mohammed. My phone number is 263-310-9010. My email is ambient081@gmail.com.
Your appointment has been successfully booked. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Thank you for calling Lake Dentaire. Have a wonderful day.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Cool. This agent is built to sound human, understand patient needs, and handle all the receptionist tasks you would expect. This is what it can do. It greets callers with a friendly voice, understand if the patient want to book, reschedule, or cancel, answers FAQs about services, insurance, or hours, check real-time availability using cal.com, book appointments directly into the clinic calendar, confirm the booking with the caller, and send a follow-up. This is not a regular chatbot, it's an intelligent conversational voice agent trained to speak like a real person. The tools you have to use are the Retell AI to power the voice agent and the cal.com for managing the clinic's calendar. You can use n8n or make.com for additional automations. Before we start building, let me explain what Retell AI is. Retell AI is a voice platform that lets you build conversational voice AI agents like VOP AI, but it's kind of like a smarter and fully programmable. The interface is just a drag and drop flow builder where each block is either a conversation node, a logic split, a function node, or an exact variable node. It also supports GPT-4, so your agents can sound natural, answer questions, and handle dynamic flows without writing the code. So first of all, you have to sign up to Retell AI. Sign up using your Gmail, and then you will get a $10 free credit. With that, you can do a testing. You may create some agents. Click on New Agent, choose a flow builder mode. Name it something like what I did as Lake Dentaire Receptionist. Then on the right side, you can see the system prompt. Here you have to add a system prompt like, your name is Dr. Nazanin, you're the bilingual, friendly, professional virtual receptionist at Lake Dentaire. I choose this a bilingual, and this a voice and language I choose is a multilingual. It is because this dental clinic is based in Quebec. It's a bilingual province in Canada. And then assign the main task, read callers, understand the request, full name, phone number, reason of visit, etc. And then the address, promotions, any if they're going on. But if you scroll down, you go to the knowledge base, and here you can add all the knowledge base. But if you click on add and click on add knowledge base, it will redirect you another window. On that window, so in a knowledge base, you can add the best thing about the Retell AI is you can even input all the complete website of your client, like which I did here. I added all the URL pages, all from their website directly to this tool, and the PDF file which contains all the necessary information in it. Now let's start building the actual conversational flow. When someone calls the clinic, the agent greets them warmly and asks how it can help. Based on the caller's intent, like I want to book an appointment, it transitions to the right flow. It also remember to recheck what the caller wants after answering a question, which makes it feel like a natural and human. Now, if the caller wants to book, the agent asks for their preferred date and time. Then it uses a check availability cal function to see if that slot is open. If it is, it continues. If not, it politely suggests 2, 3 other available options. And then it says a message, sorry, the time is not available, but I do have other availabilities. Let's say Thursday at 10 a.m., Thursday at 2 p.m., or Friday at 9 a.m. Which one works best for you? Once the caller picks up the time, it confirms their name, phone number, email, and reason. Then uses the book appointment cal function to schedule the slot in the real time. Don't worry about the cal functions. I'll get back to that. Then the agent can also reschedule appointments. It asks for the current appointment time in the new preferred slot. Then it checks the availability and rebooks using cal.com. Simple as that. While canceling an appointment is just as easy as rescheduling and the other task. The AI collects a date and confirms the cancellation with a polite message. And for general questions like hours, services, or insurance, it uses its knowledge base to reply just like a trained member staff would. It handles fallback cases too, like when no time slots are available if a caller doesn't respond. And every successful booking ends with a confirmation message like this: your appointment has been successfully booked for, let's say, July 5 at 10 a.m. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Thank you. Now for the Cal part, go to cal.com, sign up if you don't have an account, go to the settings, click on API, and here generate an API and then copy your API key. Now go back to Retell. Add a function node here, choose check availability, cal.com. You will see an interface something like this. Here you have to fill out the fields. First of all, paste your API key which you just got from the cal.com. Enter the event ID. You can get this from cal.com link. For example, if you go here, you can see on the URL, some numbers are shown here. Just copy those number and put that into the event ID. Enter the time zone wherever you are. For me, I'm located in Montreal, so I'm putting in my own time zone, which is Toronto. Then add a second function node, which is book appointment. Use the same API key, map all variables to the body, and then boom, put it over there. And then just connect the dots. That's it. Retell handles the voice, memory, transitions, and natural conversations. Cal.com handles real-time availability and scheduling. It even syncs your Google Calendar or Outlook. Well, you don't need any code. You just map the flow, set the condition, and define the logic. And the agent takes care of everything else. This AI receptionist works 24/7, never forget details, and doesn't need breaks. It replaces the need to hire a full-time receptionist or at least give your staff breathing room. And it gives patient a modern, responsive experience. Whether you are running a clinic, spa, salon, or any appointment-based businesses, this is a powerful, scalable way to automate front desk tasks. If you want to build this for your own clinic or business, or even offer it as a service to clients, I have got tutorials and template for you in the description below. Hit like if this inspired you, subscribe for more AI automations walkthroughs, and let me know in the comments if you want me to build this on stream. Thanks for watching and go automate something amazing today.